for watching Finance with Pradeep on HyBiz. And here we are sitting with Pradeep sir, who has 14 years of experience in the field of finance and investment. If I want to invest in stocks, how do I start? And what do I do to start my trading portfolio? How can I start with that? And with what can be minimum investment in stocks?
Yeah. So when it comes to stock investing, right, many people have this question. So what is the minimum amount? Do I need 10,000? Do I need 5,000? How can I start investing? I have some cash at home. Can I do with that? So these are different questions. Let me try answering them. So even if you have a capital of 50 rupees, 100 rupees, you can still buy any share or stock that is worth that kind of money, whether it is 50 or 100 rupees. But if you want to start trading or you want to start investing, you need to open relevant accounts, right? So there are two major depositories. You will be in India, CDSL and NSDL. You will have to open your account with one of those depositories. In order to open the account, you will have the KYC process, know your client, either your Aadhaar, your PAN card, all the relevant information, your ID, address, proof, you are going to submit. And within a day or two, once everything is processed, you will have your trading account set up. You will have your investing account set up. So Demat account and trading account, these are the two major accounts that need to be set up for you. Once that setup is done, then everything is online now. So you will be given a separate login and a password by your stockbroker. Using that login and password, you will log into the portal and first you will be uploading the funds, right? You'll be transferring funds from your bank account into your investing account, and using those funds, you can start investing. So this is a basic process and for our students specifically, we teach them step by step all of this. We handhold them through the process. But if you want to do it by yourself also, you can do it by following the steps, these steps.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for again explaining the whole process in such simple steps. So viewers, after seeing the episode, if you have any questions regarding finance, investment, mutual funds, stocks, real estate, you can always ask Pradeep sir. What you have to do is follow HyBiz and write down your questions or comments in the comment section of our channel. Thank you.